breaking news in the stock market. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is your third ever weekly installment of the State of the Market. What is going on, YouTube? It is your host, Sean, also known as the Prophet of Profit. Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god. Oh my god, the stock market has one of its best weeks in decades, I say, decades. Whoa, tremendous week. A little rally, they would call it a little rally, you know. But what ended up happening this week is there was industries that we just simply have not been used to seeing them green. It's been a rough 2 months in the stock market. I think we could all agree on that. A lot of industries haven't been green, but there was a lot of industries that haven't been green that were actually green this week. For one, the airlines industry, many stocks ranging from JetBlue to American Airlines to Boeing. All of them up well over 10%, over 20% in some cases. Other industries such as the cruise industry. I saw RCL earlier this week. It was up 62% just within this past week. These are industries that is actually nice to see them doing well. REITs, diversified REITs, real estate investment trusts, up about 14% within this past week. It's just nice, for once to actually see these industries doing well. But what does the future hold? So, in my opinion, even with what has transpired in the market this past week, I am still remaining bearish on the market as a whole. And that is simply because, first off, companies haven't really even got to reporting earnings yet. And when earnings come out, it's just going to be like I can't even imagine how bad some of the airline industry earnings are going to be. It's no way that is already priced in my opinion. Not to mention unemployment's getting worse. I said this in other videos. We're pretty much just going into a recession. So if we're heading into a recession, obviously the stock prices are just going to further descend in my opinion, because a recession doesn't happen instantly in 2 months like it's happened so far. Although, okay, let me backtrack a bit. I'm just going to state this right now because I feel like it's a safe thing to say. Let's just face it. None of us have ever lived through a pandemic before, and none of us know what's going to happen to the market because none of us have never lived during a pandemic before. That's what's clearly evident based off what's happened this past 2 months, and that is the stance I'm going to take on the whole market going in the future, because I feel like you can't please everyone. If you're bearish on the market, the bulls get mad. And then if you're bullish on the market, then the bears get mad. So there's no winning in that. So in my opinion, as I said, we never lived during a pandemic before, so therefore none of us knows what's going to happen. Although I will assert my opinion, as you saw before in the video. So straying away from the market as a whole right now, we're going to look into some individual stocks. I guess that ran on Thursday because I did my midweek market overview on Thursday, only talking about stocks up to Wednesday. And then Good Friday happened, so it was a shortened trade week. Happy holidays to everyone. So that means we're just going to be looking at the runners that happened on Thursday. And on Thursday, there was actually a gigantic runner. This was ticker symbol ICD. The company's name is Independence Contract Drilling. And wow, I didn't even notice this one because, to be honest with this, I didn't even trade on Thursday. I had so much going on. But earlier in the week, ICD was at a low in the 150s. And on Thursday, during the day, it hit a high of $13. That is that is like 1,000% run. That is over a 1,000% run. I can't even believe that. Wow, I wonder if I was trading, if I would have gotten into this. They actually went off like this because of this PR. I honestly, I'm at a loss for words. As I said, I wasn't trading this day, so I feel like I missed out here. But wow, that is an impressive run. So the next stock that we're going to be taking a look at here that ran on Thursday is ticker symbol FTSI. The company's FTS International Inc. And this stock actually is a classic penny runner is what I call it. Was in the low 20s and actually ran to a high of 49 cents at around 2 o'clock. That is a crazy runner, and I honestly can't seem to find a reason why this ran. I know it's an oil stock, and oil stocks did well in periods this week. And on top of that, the technicals did look pretty good on it, so it seems like it was due for a run. So it's nice to see that pennies are popping here. And with that in mind, that's going to bring us to our stock to keep on watch this coming trading week. And this is ticker symbol BIOC. The company is BioC, and on Thursday, this penny stock actually had a crazy good PR. They announced that they're going to begin COVID-19 testing. Like that's all you need to hear. A company to provide FDA approved for EUA testing in its San Diego lab to assist physician clients in the fight against the coronavirus pandemic. That is word for word from the PR. This could very well, it already ran about 50%, I'm pretty sure. But I see the stock very well going over 75 cents, or at least hitting 75 cents this coming trading week. Probably Monday, so probably tomorrow, because people are just hyping this up, and this is the type of PR you want in this current market. So with that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really quickly before it ends, I just want to say thank you all so much for 1,000 subscribers. It's crazy how fast we're growing, and I get so much support. You know, some people hate, but like I literally just don't care when people say anything to me if it's negative. So it's very nice to see all the positive stuff from you guys. So please do not forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. I hope you learned something, got an opinion or something like that from this video. Let's go make some money.